Hello, today I'm in Ssangyong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. In order to enable cruise control, firstly accelerate to desired speed and press the button on the top of the lever. Next, if you want to accelerate the speed, increase it, push the lever upwards. If you want to decrease it, push it downwards. And if you want to go back to the previous speed, pull the lever towards yourself. If you want to turn the cruise control off, again press this button right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.